you all lovelies, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe to this amazing channel. My name is the Foxy Queen Orchideli and I'm back with my good people. My gang are here again to entertain you guys. Kama huja watch our last video, wewe tunakuona, kindly go back and hit that video and watch it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And my people watajiintroduce haraka. Najua mnawajua, but watasema tu majina yao, tukianza na huyu our youngest.
My name is Jess Sanjira and I'm back.
And you're back.
Hey guys, it's me John, single and ready to mingle. Don't forget about that.
Nice.
My name is Ellie. I'm new but
You're back.
Ready. Enjoy.
Nice.
My name is Lucy.
Wow. Welcome back. So yes, so today guys, again, we are going to be doing the funny sounds challenge and you're not supposed to laugh. It's called try not to laugh, okay? So each of us will be making a funny sound and the rest of us won't be laughing. Like if he makes a funny sound, we are supposed to try as hard as we can not to laugh, okay? So enjoy. Yeah, nani anaanza?
Tuanzia hapa.
No, tunaanza na Madea. Yes.
Bye.
So kila mtu ametoka. Everyone is out. What do you mean?
Rudini hapa.
What do you mean everyone is out?
Rudini hapa. Action.
And we will be beginning. We will be starting with the only king, King John, Madea.
Very funny.
And the winner is John.
This guy over here. Why are you guys not laughing? Because he is just out. Well, this one has laughed all through.
Bana.
He's not getting out.
Nashindwa. Ameshika hapo
Just
chini.
umecheza mbaya. Umecheat. Umecheza haramu. Anyway guys, we hope you've enjoyed this specific video. I hope you loved it. Do you have a round 2?
Yes.
Maybe next time.
Next time we'll try and have around 2. Tutaenda to research those funny sounds for you guys, okay? So see you on the next episode. We love you guys. Bye.
I have something to say. These phone numbers 0724 470. Kuna dai za WhatsApp. I'm usually online through again. Don't call.
No calls. Ni online dating. Sawa. Okay guys, I hope you've gotten his number. In case umemnoki, unamdai, hiyo ndio namba ya M-Pesa. Umtumie kachai kama amewaentertain. Yeah. So see you on the next episode. Love you guys.
Bye.